Hello students, let's begin our new session with first chapter of IT. Same as ninth class, your syllabus is divided in two parts. Part A employability skills, Part B vocational skills. So we will begin with first chapter of Part B, that is web applications. So let's start the definition of accessibility options. What is accessibility options? In general, we use to give input to computer by using mouse and keyboard, and we also take output using printer and monitor. But apart from these, if we want to control our computer by using our voice and all, then this comes under the accessibility options. Now next is different options available in this accessibility options. First one is visual display options. By using this option, we can enlarge the text or we can magnify the particular part of the screen, or we can change the contrast display of our screen. Generally, this is used by the visually impaired people, that is the people who is having eyesight problems. The second one, text or visual cues in place of sounds. The person who are unable to hear properly, or we can say for persons those who are hearing impaired people, they use this option. In this option, in place of sounds, we use to flash the screen whenever some alert is there. Then next one, speech commands or mouse or keyboard working options. We can also use keyboard or mouse and speech commands to do our work. Now next one, to implement these options, we are having different features. First one is narrator. What is narrator? Narrator reads the text. Whatever text is written on the screen, it will read that text. So if we are having any problem in seeing that text, then we can use this narrator option or narrator feature. It will read the text for us, and whatever is written will be read by this narrator. Next one, audio description. Audio description means whatever is task is going on the screen, it will describe that task. That is, whether any dialog box appears on the screen or any other thing or any error message appears on the screen, it will describe it. So what is difference between narrator and audio description? Narrator reads the text on the screen and audio description describes the events going on over the screen. Next one is magnifier. Magnifier is used to enlarge the part of the screen where the mouse is pointing. That means in place of zooming in the complete screen, we can zoom in the particular part of the screen. Understood? Now next one, speech recognition. What is speech recognition? Speech recognition means we can control our computer with our voice. Instead of giving commands through keyboard or mouse, we can give commands through our voice, or we can give voice commands to control our computer. This is speech recognition. Next is sticky keys. Sticky keys means the combination of keys like control and shift key. Whenever this combination is used, we have to press all the keys together present in the combination. But instead of pressing these keys together, we can use these sticky keys by using this feature. Once we have pressed a key, we can, until and unless we will press the next key, it will be remain in its effect. This is sticky keys. Next is toggle keys. Toggle keys, some keys are there just like caps lock, num lock and scroll lock keys. These keys are present on our keyboard, and sometimes we get confused whether it is on or off. So to see or to check whether this key is on or off, we can use these toggle keys, toggle or this toggle key feature. Next one is filter keys. Filter keys are used to ignore unintentional key strokes. Sometimes we want to ignore the pressing of our keys of the keys which is not important for us. In such situations we can use filter keys. By using this we can ignore this unwanted keystrokes while doing our important work. These all features are used in the accessibility options. And how we can implement these features? These features are implemented through control panel. How we can go to or reach to control panel? It is very easy. Just by clicking on the start menu we can reach to control panel. We will click on start menu and after that we will get the option control panel. As soon as we will click on it, we will see the window that appears on your screen now. In this control panel we will get the option ease of access. So while selecting this option ease of access, we will reach to this accessibility options. Now in this ease of access option we will get two categories: ease of access center and next one is speech recognition. Ease of access center, different options are there related to replacement of sound with visual cues, optimize visual display, change how your mouse works, change how your keyboard works. Means you can change the working of your mouse and keyboard in your desired manner, or you can replace your visual sounds with your visual cues, or you can optimize your visual display that we have already discussed as by using narrator, audio descriptions and magnifier options. Next one is speech recognition. What is speech recognition? By using this speech recognition we can control our computer with our voice. All these things are given in accessibility options on computer and these are accessible using control panel.